Hey everyone, Thomas, Hammerdown Auctions. Gonna do a little walk around video of this 1955 Chevy Bel Air Sport Coupe. This is a factory AC car, which is super rare. There are definitely not many of these out there. Has a beautiful paint job on it. Love the colors. That orange and that off-white just look great together. I'll show you the interior on this. Everything is just over the top. Look at that. Seats are in great shape. The upholstery work is very nice in this car. Even the dome lights work. Look at the headliner. Go ahead and shut the door. Doors shut great. The flippers even work on them. Yeah, awesome air conditioned sticker there. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind car. You won't find another one like this out there. Like I said, the flippers work on the doors. Most of these cars, if you take a look at that, they don't work. They never shut right. Let's go ahead and look under the hood here. Wow. That's amazing right there. Let me show you the trim tag on it. Let's close this up. Yeah, I mean, even the hood shuts nice on this. Now let's start it up for you. Fires right up. All the gauges work on it. Power steering, power brakes. Alrighty, I got the key out for you. Let's go take a look at the trunk. Listen to that. Everything is just finished out really nice in this car. Whoever did it the right way. And that's the only way to do it. Let's real quick show you underneath. The underneath is just as nice as the top. Look down the sides of it. Paintwork is beautiful on this car. Or should I say body work? Body and paint. Show you underneath. Now let's end it off. Thomas, Hammerdown Auctions, taking a look at a 1955 Chevy Bel Air Sport Coupe factory AC. This is just an awesome car. It will be going through the sale Saturday, lot number 48. Keep your eye out for this one. You won't find another one like this. Thanks for watching, guys.